Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing today? Today in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually make free tokens on Coinmarketcap. What is Coinmarketcap? Coinmarketcap is a go-to place for everything that has to do with cryptocurrencies, whether it's a token or it's a coin. So it's in Coinmarketcap you actually find every information about that particular coin that you're actually looking out for. So, but there's a hidden spot in that very platform that we're actually going to harness today to make money. So, for us to do that, we need three informations. First of all, we need our Binance ID, because Binance is where we're going to be receiving this token, or where it's going to be launched later. We're going to find this very token in Binance. So we need our Binance IDs to be able to link on the procedure we're going to be following later. Secondly, you're going to be needing your email address. So if you don't have a CoinMarket account here, you're going to need to sign up afterwards, or if you already have a CoinMarket account, then your email address that you used in signing up is actually going to be needed, so you need to keep that handy. The next thing is that we're going to be needing a wallet address. This doesn't actually have a specific rule, but you just need to have a Trust Wallet address, because I think Trust Wallet app, because probably you could actually find almost all the type of wallets that you might be needing in your Trust Wallet. So most of the time, depending on the token that is launched and the network that is launching from, you can either need a ERC20 token, or you can either need a BEP20 token wallet. So these are the three informations that you need to keep handy. Next thing we're going to be doing is getting our Binance ID. I'm going to be showing you next how to get the Binance ID on the app, on mobile, and then I'm going to show you how to get that on the web too. So let's head to the phone now, and then I can show you how you can actually get that. And after the phone, we're going to go to the web, and from the web, we're going to proceed with getting access to this free token. I'll see you. Alright, so okay, let's find how we can actually locate our Binance ID on the app. So first of all, you open your app, the Binance app, and then you go straight up to the user icon down here. When you've logged in, make sure you're already logged into your app. You're going to see where your email is located, somewhere by the left, top left. You can actually find an ID located down below the email addresses, address that you actually use for Binance. So this is how you can actually locate that. This is on the iPhone, but I believe it's the same thing for Android as well. So you can always find this user icon down there, and with that you can actually locate your Binance ID just below the email address. Alright guys, so let's head to the web, and I can show you how we could actually find our Binance ID on the Binance website, in case you're actually using Binance on the laptop or your computer. So we'll head to the browser. You go to binance.com, and then you sign into your account. I'm already signed into my own account. So for you to be able to find that, you have to go to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you are going to find your user ID located somewhere here. At the top of the left pane, you can see your user ID somewhere here, right? You can find that. So that's how you can actually locate your user ID on Binance website. So let's continue to Coinmarketcap now. Now we're going to actually execute our token earning. So since we're still on the computer, because I advised that we're going to be using computer for this is because it's going to give us more view to actually see what we're looking for. So let's head to CoinMarketCap now, and we can be able to do what we want to do. CoinMarketCap.com. If you've not actually created an account with CoinMarketCap, you need to sign up and then log into your account. I can see I'm already logged into this place. So if you don't have an account with them, all you just need is, you're going to find sign up or sign in somewhere here, right? And then once you have that, you're going to come to this place called Learn. Under the Learn section, you're going to find Earn. So we're going to click on the Earn. It's going to take us to a new window. So how do we find a token that we're going to earn from for free? We're going to, just like I told you, you're going to earn free money. So we're going to do that by going down to this place. So if you look, you can see Learn Crypto, Earn Crypto. So if you check out here, we'll have these particular tokens to actually earn. So we'll have about 2 tokens that is live that we can actually learn from. So let's find out how we can actually do that next. All right, guys. So back here we have things that we can actually earn from. I told you we have 2 of them. If you see, let's just read a little information here. Acquire crypto asset in a fun and low risk way by taking lessons and testing your knowledge. So it works by just being able to, first of all, learn about a particular crypto token that is about to come out to the market. It's not yet out in the market, so you want to learn about it, and then the information you get to pick up, you're going to use that to answer a question, and after answering those questions you're going to be rewarded. So it's very important that you watch the video or read through the instructions that we're going to be actually facing in the instruction videos, so that you can be able to pass the test. So that if you pass the test, that's the probability or the chances that you're actually going to get the token, right? Because the result is not really given to you instantly. So how does it work? You watch videos, learn about top and emerging crypto project, put your newfound knowledge to test, then you test yourself on what you've watched in the video, and then you get rewarded in the crypto you learned about. So now we have this very crypto that actually available for us. What cryptocurrency can I earn? Then we have Perpetua, right? Then we have Mars ecosystem. Then we have Orox, right? Orox is still live. That means we can also earn from here. But I think these ones have already passed. You can see that there's plenty of them. You can also still learn about them, but you might not be able to earn from these ones right now. So we're going to click on Orox and Orox. So I'll click on that, and we are going to see what Orox is about. Orox is a free all-in-one crypto trading terminal powered by Orox token. The terminal has proprietary indicators, alerts, and customizable workspaces that help new and experienced traders to make better and more confident trading decisions. So this is the first lesson, so let's watch it.
What is Orox Terminal? Orox is a beginner-friendly crypto trading terminal designed to help traders make more profitable trading decisions while providing instant access to proprietary indicators, alerts, exchanges, order books, charts, and news from one single software. Think Bloomberg Terminal for crypto. So what makes Orox special? As the crypto sphere matures, there's skyrocketing interest for trading and investing from all over the world. However, trading cryptocurrency still has a high entry barrier for newcomers. That's because in order to make consistently profitable trades and investments, new traders have to perform advanced technical analysis and understand statistical trends from complex data. Mastering all the nuances of trading volatile coins can require years of practice, which is why many, if not most, new traders lose their profits to more experienced investors. Orox Terminal is here to change that. Borax empowers new traders to make confident trades, spot opportunities in the market, minimize losses, and accelerate profits. The terminal accomplishes all this and more by offering free tools such as in-depth tutorials, beginner-friendly light.
So that's it about these guys. You can see that there's a lot to actually learn from this very token. So because of the timing, I'm not going to actually wait for us to watch all the videos, but you could do this on your own time, watch the videos, take your time, and then you can go to the next phase, which is taking the quiz. So when you take the quiz, you're going to be asked some questions based on all the stuff that you've actually learned from the videos. So now there's another thing I want to point out is that they're going to be requiring those IDs that were already acquired later before now. That is the Binance ID, and then also your email address, which you used in actually setting up your Coinmarketcap account. So let's go with the test now. We have to agree with this. Let's agree with this. Our email address. right? Your Binance ID. So Binance IDs are unique, so I suggest you don't copy anybody's IDs, because if you copy their IDs, it means that you want them to actually get the reward afterwards. So that's it. Okay, what is Orox? A beginner friendly app. I think we could actually remember that. We did not watch the video completely, but I'm just going to pick some things randomly, but you need to watch the videos. Like I said, watch the videos watch the videos completely. Make sure you understand it. If it means rewatching, you could rewatch, so that you could actually stand a chance of actually getting this result that we're looking. Okay, this place are actually requiring our ERC20 token, so we're going to find any ERC20 token. I think it's more of your Ethereum based wallets, so let's just find one. I'm going to grab one from my Trust wallet. You can find one in your Trust wallet, and then you could paste it here. So I'm trying to get that now. Some minutes. Okay. 1 minute. Yeah, this is different because I didn't see this coming, right? Because in other places they just probably request for your Binance ID, and that's all. But this place now, they're requesting for something else. They're requesting for our so I just did a fast stuff from here. I grabbed it, I'm sending it from my mobile phone to the browser. So you should find your unique address and paste. Then we're going to go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that you can actually help other people to locate the video.